What is up, guys? We're back. Another episode of Intuitive Engineering here, and we are with boat version 2 this time. We're gonna see how it works out and see if we got the formula right. So without further ado, let's give her a rip and see how she goes. Let's take a quick look at the boat we're gonna be ripping around today. We got big ol' ailerons here. These are actual airfoil shapes, and they are pretty large, so I'm hoping those will work good. We got a brand new mast, a new wing, same old little motor, rattling around nice and good. And then in the front we have our mechanical stabilizer here, so that will do our height sensing for us. And then it is also the front rudder. So that should be pretty good. Otherwise, everything else is the same in here. Without further ado, let's give her a rip and see how she goes.
Pretty good.
It works, but I can't make any turns.
Why not?
I have the computer automatically doing steering to keep it upright, because the steering is actually balancing it, so it's like you can't.
So it overrides your steering when it starts to tip over?
Pretty much. I'm not doing anything. Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. I wanted to take a minute and clarify a few things that may not have been extremely obvious just from the test video and looking at the board itself. The first thing is that now with the single front mast, while it did reduce the drag a lot, it creates a new dynamic of control where it drives a lot more like a bicycle than a car or a tricycle that has a stable footing. So in this scenario, the computer was doing a lot more work, and it was steering the rudder to balance the roll axis and keep the boat upright and out of the water. And that's why in one of the clips you can hear me say that I have no steering control. And now this is an issue that I'll be tackling in my next version. We'll be putting in a little bit of rake angle to the steering, and that's exactly why bicycles and motorcycles have their front forks tilted forward slightly, like you've seen on a chopper or something. The wheel sticks out really far. We got to do something like that for the boat. And then additionally in the rear, right now the rudder is the most powerful roll control device. However, we need to improve the strength of the ailerons in the back and kind of supplement that so that we can make adjustments without steering. Increasing the strength of the rear rolling action in the rear wing and adding some rake angle to the front rudder are the two upgrades that I'll be doing and working on for the next video. I'm very confident that with these two stability upgrades installed, I'll be able to stamp the blueprint and begin designing the larger scale model. So thank you guys for watching to the end here. I really appreciate your support. It means a lot to me, and if you got any questions, comments, hate mail, or love, leave them in the comments section. Always happy to chat with you guys. And if you have any engineering questions, of course, leave them there and we'll have a discussion. But don't forget to like or dislike and subscribe. And also, if you really enjoy watching the project go along, please consider donating my Patreon page. I'll need some more resources to build a large scale model. We need epoxy, fabric, all kinds of stuff so that we can get it done how it's supposed to be and that it works amazingly. So I'll leave that link in the description box below. Please consider donating. And once again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one, and stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna get her done.